Hey, let's dive into the latest stock market news and get hyped about the stock market movements. Brace yourselves because stocks took a tumble, leaving investors feeling a bit jittery. But don't worry, there is hope despite investors fearing a potential recession and stock market crash. With interest rate hikes happening around the globe, it has sparked concerns about a potential global recession. As a result, all three major indexes fell from their impressive streaks in the green. With the stock market now in the red, what should investors do now? Right now, the best thing to do is to keep investing in strong investments like VTI, SCHD, and QQQM. But let's look ahead to next week. Get ready for more action because Jerome Powell, the Federal Reserve Chair, is scheduled to speak not once, but twice. Jerome Powell will give us updates on interest rate hikes and inflation, which could significantly impact the stock market. So it's time to keep our eyes peeled and stay informed. But fear not, because amidst the chaos, we witnessed some exciting developments in the stock market. GSK shares skyrocketed on both the London and New York exchanges because the company reached a settlement in a groundbreaking case. This case, which could have set a major precedent, involved claims that GSK's heartburn drug Zantac causes cancer. Thousands of similar cases have been filed, so this victory is definitely worth celebrating for GSK and its investors. So in the end, it was found that their drug does not cause cancer. Now, let's shift our attention to the world of coffee. Buckle up, folks, because Starbucks baristas from over 150 stores are making a bold move. They've decided to put their misspelling skills on hold and walk off the job in protest. Allegedly, some managers banned rainbow flags and other pride decorations, and the baristas are not having it. The strike started at the Starbucks Reserve Roastery in Seattle, and get this. 3,500 unionized workers are expected to join in over the next week. However, I think this is a bit silly. Starbucks is a coffee joint, and they are not supposed to be a political hub to further an agenda. However, since LGBTQIA+ representation has been known to lower stock prices, retailers like Target and Kohl's have faced backlash for selling rainbow merch, and their share prices have shown it. Plus, beverage companies like Anheuser-Busch's brand Bud Light and Starbucks have seen their share prices lower because of similar LGBTQ-related agendas. Therefore, by stepping away from this agenda, it should reflect positively on their stock prices. In other news, we have Tesla stock and Meta stock updates because of their respected CEOs Elon Musk, who is the Tesla CEO, and Mark Zuckerberg, who is the CEO of Meta, could potentially fight in hand-to-hand combat in the UFC octagon. However, Elon Musk's mom, May Musk, has implored her son and his fellow tech billionaire Mark Zuckerberg to keep their hands to themselves after Elon challenged Zuck to a cage match, and Zuck accepted. Now if they fought, I think Mark Zuckerberg would win because of his history in martial arts. Sportsbooks are officially giving jiu-jitsu champion Zuck an 83% chance of winning if the two CEOs duke it out in the Vegas octagon. But most don't share Musk's mother's reluctance to watch the brawl. UFC President Dana White told TMZ the bout could bring in over $1 billion from pay-per-view. With that said, Elon Musk's company named SpaceX is offering to sell select buyers' shares at a price that values the private company at $150 billion, which is a big deal. For stocks and other assets that are soaring this week, we had Bitcoin hit its highest price in a year, signaling that the crypto winter has started to thaw, which is great news for investors. Plus, we also saw Apple, Meta, Royal Caribbean, Take-Two, Dell, and Celsius all hit new 52-week highs. We also saw Amazon ticker symbol AMZN reportedly delaying the launch of a major expansion of its Amazon Clinic telemedicine service. And hey, check this out. Amazon's CEO Andy Jassy announced that the company will invest an additional $15 billion in India. Talk about making bold moves on a global scale. Oh, and here's something fascinating happening in the tech world. Google-owned YouTube is testing a cutting-edge tool that will allow creators to automatically dub their videos into different languages using the power of AI. This is innovation at its finest. And last but not least, let's talk about the legendary investor Cathie Wood and her renowned firm ARK Invest. Today, they made some exciting moves. They bought a whopping 976,521 shares of Robinhood, the popular stock and cryptocurrency trading platform, and she also invested in fintech company Sofi Technologies. Cathie Wood's average price that she bought Sofi stock at is around $8.28, which is right on time because the company is predicted to become profitable by the end of this year, which should increase their share price substantially. So there you have it, my fellow finance enthusiasts. The market is buzzing with excitement, from stock fluctuations and groundbreaking settlements to epic showdowns and groundbreaking investments. Stay tuned, stay invested, and let's ride this financial roller coaster together. Happy investing.